Curious about the 2025 Cadillac XT6's cluster display and dashboard warning indicators? Wondering what those warning lights and symbols mean? In this video, we'll answer all your questions and help you understand what to do when an alert pops up. Interior view. The 2025 Cadillac XT6 features a sophisticated dashboard with a sleek, minimalist design and high-quality materials. It integrates a 33-inch curved OLED display, ambient lighting, and intuitive controls for a modern and luxurious driving experience. The XT6 features a sleek 33-inch curved OLED display with a vibrant 9K resolution, offering a futuristic and intuitive user experience. It integrates seamlessly with Google's built-in services, enhancing connectivity and convenience. It features a fully digital instrument cluster with a high-resolution display, providing crisp graphics and customizable layouts. It offers real-time driving data, navigation integration, and advanced driver assistance alerts for a seamless experience. It features a modern electronic gear shifter with a sleek, ergonomic design for effortless operation. It enhances cabin space and integrates seamlessly with the vehicle's premium interior. It features a leather-wrapped steering wheel with a refined ergonomic design. It includes multi-function controls for audio, cruise, and driver assistance systems, ensuring a seamless driving experience. The XT6 features premium door controls with a sleek, modern layout. They include a power window, mirror, and lock functions with a metallic finish and ambient lighting for a luxurious touch. The 2025 Cadillac XT6 is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine delivering 310 horsepower and 271 pound-feet of torque. It features a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive for a balanced mix of power and efficiency. The Cadillac XT6 features an ultra-view panoramic sunroof, offering expansive views and an open-air feel. It includes a power sunshade for customizable comfort in a premium driving experience. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Driver seat belt reminder. Front passenger seat belt reminder. Airbag readiness light. Passenger airbag status indicator. Charging system. Malfunction indicator lamp. Brake system warning light. Electric parking brake. Electric parking brake service. Anti-lock brake system. Lane keep assist light, vehicle ahead indicator, FCA or ACC following gap light, pedestrian ahead indicator, traction off light, traction control system, electronic stability control off, engine coolant temperature, sport mode, snow mode, off-road mode, tow haul mode, tire pressure light, engine oil pressure light, low fuel warning light, security light, high beam on light, IntelliBeam light, lamps on reminder, cruise control light, adaptive cruise control light, door ajar light, curve speed control light, super cruise light, performance shifting light, all-wheel drive light.
Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2 scanner for diagnostics.
General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.